But while we're here, we also received another rush order over Christmas Eve actually. Take a walk with me if you would. Here, one of our larger pug mill boxes we're doing for one of our top clients. This box here came in damaged. The pinion was shot, so we're manufacturing a new pinion. The gearing on the sides is being repaired and reground. We replaced the chain. This is a chain-driven pug mill box. We replaced all bearings and seals. And not to mention rebuilding the shafts that was worn. So we got these two large boxes that's supposed to be done the first week of January. So we got all our mechanics, all hands on deck working here. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please note the National Gear Repair warranties all their work for 24 months from the date of install.